But now let's make it more complex. Let me delete it. There are also so-called operators, and operators means the relationship between words. Now if you type two words, for example, the same example I used before, injure, and I do head, between these two words is a relationship of and. So both words must be found. Now the operator, so the combination of and, you do not need to type, but it is possible to type if you want, and it is this sign. It is injure and head. Now these signs you can find back in the help online. Okay, injure head will find the exact same, I press now enter to search it, see, we'll find the exact same number, like here 40, if compared to if I would do injure and head. Okay, also finds 40. Now there's a possibility to do or, the operator or, so or one word or the other word, and the other operator, the other relationship can be a not. So I can do, for example, two words. I say I want to find all rubrics with two words, but not that word. Or I want to find all rubrics of that word, but not that remedy. So let's do the same example. I want to search for all rubrics of pregnancy, but not sepia may be in. So on the keyboard, you can just start to type the question mark or F4. It opens the simple search window, and I start to type again pregnancy or whatever, pregnant, doesn't matter. And not, the operator not, is the exclamation mark. So I do the exclamation mark. I can type a space, or I do not need to type a space, but let me type a space so it will look nicer. Pregnancy and not sepia. And I select the remedy sepia and now search. Okay, let's see. Now it has found here 381 symptoms of the word pregnancy, and not the remedy sepia may be in. So let's see this one, the 15. You see sepia is not in. Let's see here these 25. You see the remedy sepia is not in. So let me go down a bit. Just do another one. So see this one, the remedy sepia is not inside that rubric. So that is operators. Let me repeat again. There are the following operators. That's the and that operator is normally already there. You don't have to type it. There is or, and there is not. So and not we have done already. Now we will do or. Now or is the following. Let's say I want to find all dreams in the repertory about cats or dogs. So I just start to type dream, press enter. Now it will have the relationship and, but I can also type here this sign, but I do not need to do it. So I do dream and I type here cat. So it will search now all dreams where the word cat is in. Or I want now the word dog, and that you do with the pipe. So the pipe is the vertical line. So I do the pipe on the keyboard. I press one space, not really needed, but it will look nice. So I have dream and cat or dog. Press enter. Enter. Let's see how many it finds in the synthesis. And you see I have here 51 symptoms. Dream cats, and here dreams dogs, and it can be, maybe I cannot find one, I don't know if one is existing, but it can also find a combination of dreams of cats and dogs. So again, dream and cat or dog. So it finds in one list all dreams of cats and all dreams of dogs. So to summarize, this went very fast, this video. To summarize, you can do a lot with a simple search. You can do here question mark, one word, like injure, and then abdomen, enter, enter. This is a combination of a simple search of a combination of two words. Okay, then I can do a search for a single remedy. So I do PLAT to search for platina. I type the dot, and from the autocomplete list I select here platinum metallicum, enter, enter, and I search all symptoms where that remedy is in. Then I can do the same for a family. So I just start to type on the keyboard the name of the family, so Solana, and from the autocomplete box I select here the Solanaceae and, for example, APG2 group, and I say enter, and it searches all symptoms in the repertory where at least one of that family is in. And you can do now any combination. So words, remedies, families, which you can combine in any combination with the operators and, or, and not. So the operator and you don't have to type. So if I do again injure, enter, head, enter, it is a combination of and. So I want to find all groups of injure and head, and let's say I do not want the remedy arnica in. Then on the keyboard I press the exclamation mark and I say IRN and a dot, and then enter, enter, and I find now a list of all symptoms of injury to the head, and the remedy arnica is not allowed in there. Okay, see, arnica is not in there. So that was it. You can look in my manual to see what I've done here all, or I refer you to the help online where also these operators are mentioned. So I hope this didn't go too fast, but you can see many of these things again in a separate instruction video.